Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your tax info in TurboTax for gig earnings, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your tax info in TurboTax for gig earnings, start by launching the TurboTax application or visiting the TurboTax website. Log into your TurboTax account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section for income reporting. Locate the option for gig economy income or self-employment income. Select this option to begin entering your gig earnings. If prompted, enter your earnings from the various gig platforms where you worked. Make sure to include all sources of income, such as driving, delivery, or freelance work. TurboTax may ask you to upload documents to verify these earnings. Follow the prompts to upload any relevant 1099 forms or income statements from your gig platforms. After entering your earnings, review the information for accuracy. Next, proceed to the tax deductions section. Look for deductions specific to gig workers, such as vehicle expenses or home office deduction. Input any eligible deductions to accurately reflect your tax situation. TurboTax will then calculate your estimated taxes based on the information you've provided. Review the summary of your tax situation, checking for any discrepancies. If everything looks correct, follow the prompts to complete your tax return. Finally, save or print a copy of your completed return for your records. This ensures you have documentation of your gig earnings and the tax information filed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.